In this tutorial from LashJoy Academy, I'll be showing you how to apply Eyepads using my methods. First thing we need is the Eyepads, and we're going to place this directly under the lower lashes. We want the majority of the natural lashes to be sitting on top of the Eyepad. We need 4 to 5 pieces of tape, about 2 or 3 centimeters in length. Make sure that that edge of the tape meets with the edge of the waterline. If it's over the waterline, it will scratch the eye, so just be mindful of that. And make sure that the natural lashes are sitting nice and flat. Thumb guides that tape down, touching on the inner half. Sometimes you do need to stroke those lashes down so they sit flat. Okay, and I'll just show you how to do the other eye as well. So attach in the center underneath the eye, wrap around, touching on the inner half. Sometimes you do need to stroke those lashes down so they sit flat. So once the client has slowly closed her eyes, gently flip up the Eyepads and rotate towards the inner corner of the eye. That way you've got a nice white background for that inner corner. And we'll do the same for the other eye. Flip up, rotate towards the inner corner. So I like to have the natural lash sandwiched between the Eyepad and the tape. So that way the Eyepad is less likely to accidentally slip into the eye. And if there is any tearing, there will be a lot more distance that the Eyepad gel will need to travel to accidentally get into the eye. And that's how you apply Eyepads using the LashJoy method.